you can be as involved. You can fill every day with activities.
The gym is probably one of the best activities that I've associated with around here. I do 5 days, at least 5 days a week, working out.
But once you get here, you say, boy, I wish I would have been here earlier. How do you
Come
put it?
sooner rather than later.
Sooner rather than later.
Well, I'm so glad that I'm here. You know, when we talk about leisure, you don't have to worry about anything.
One of the best things about the Ark is the transportation system that takes us to evening events, to the Majestic and the Tobin Center and other places. So a life of leisure is, there are things I don't need to worry about. When we first came, there was a phrase, we're on a cruise ship that never leaves.
All of that common experiences, that just helps out so much as we get older. And then not having to worry about the other stuff. Pool, cleaning it, repairs to the air conditioners.
I have more time and to do things that I want to do, that I enjoy, and that she enjoys, and that we enjoy. So, yeah, absolutely.
Having similar experiences, having been to similar places, some of the same places, and if not, you can at least talk about it. You can talk about some of the work, you can talk about the travel.
One of the things they used to say to me, and I try to say to new people, is, I'm glad you're here. And that really feels good when somebody says that.